No, muszę to się...
Czacia!
Hi.
Good boy. Good boy.
Meet Findster Duo Plus, the GPS pet tracker free of monthly fees. You can finally give your pet the freedom he needs while keeping your peace of mind. A tiny and smart wearable device helps you care for that best friend of yours. Track their location and activity on your phone in real time. Findster lets you stay connected even when you're away. Share access to your pets with your family and friends and monitor their safety from anywhere. The virtual leash adds an extra layer of protection during your walks, ensuring your pet keeps up with you at all times. Love is a full-time job, but sometimes life gets in the way. Findster lets you stay one step ahead, even when Mr. Tailwagger decides to go on his little solo expeditions. Findster is the extra set of eyes you've always wanted to have, but instead of helping you look, it guides you right to your pet's location, even if you're off-grid. It also helps you make sure no one gets left behind. The Findster app lets you monitor all of your pets without additional fees. But going out with your little buddy is also about sharing new adventures and celebrating your unique bond. Challenges and leaderboards are available because fun should always be a part of the experience. And since the best adventures are often unpredictable, Findster is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about where the fun will lead. Revisit your walks or analyze your performance. Findster helps guarantee you're both getting the most out of your activities. Findster Duo Plus is the only GPS pet tracker to allow true real-time tracking. But it goes beyond that. It also tracks your best friend's all-day activity, providing you with key data to make sure their needs are always attended to. Connect yourself to the ones you love with Findster Duo Plus.
Say hello to PetCube Bites, the smart pet camera with Amazon Alexa voice control.
I like smart. Can it spy on my dog?
Of course,
Even that small?
beyond a doubt. He's got big personality.
Can it see in the dark?
Oh yeah.
That's my kitty.
Cute.
Can he hear me?
Crystal clear.
Who's a good boy?
And what's that for?
You can load up treats inside.
And what treats can I use?
Your dog's favorites.
Oh,
Can it play fetch?
Swipe up to check. Only net.
Swish.
Ralphie, where's my shoe?
Let's go back and check your video history.
You are loving this, aren't you?
Kinda.
Sorry, bud. We're out.
Alexa, ask PetCube to reorder treats.
Future delivered.
Can this thing walk my dog?
Sort of. We have tons of perks with our subscription. Dog walkers included.
So, this is like a smartphone for pets?
Yes, but way, 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 way better.
Like any pet owner, we worry about our buds when we leave for the day. That's where Pebby comes in, so you can keep the fun going and going. Use the app to drive it remotely, to interact with your pet even when you're not there. With a frame made from durable polycarbonate, Pebby can go anywhere. Slobber? No problem. Not even a scratch. Using the motion sensor collar, Pebby is able to track your dog's activity and give you vital information about her mobility and health in the palm of your hand. And when you're done playing, just place Pebby in its wireless charging bay, and it plugs itself in. Pebby was designed to be a powerful, customizable tool for pet owners on the go who still want to be actively engaged with their pets and stay on top of their pet's health. Pebby comes equipped with a wide-angle camera to capture every moment in glorious, stabilized HD, easily share footage on social media, and keep your pet guessing with built-in lasers that pets will love.
We are working very hard to bring Pebby to market, and with your support, we can make Pebby even better.
Our developers are crafting a frame that is even stronger, electronics that are more robust, and a battery life that lasts all day.
With your support, we give pet owners worldwide a new way to connect and more fun at playtime.
Please support us to bring Pebby into your home.
Pebby, wanna play?
This This innovative cat feeder allows users to control the feeding process of their pets. The innovation is in the RFID microchip recognition system installed in the collar. When the chip is near the bowl, the lid automatically opens to give access to the food container. When the animal moves away from the trough, the transparent lid closes, keeping the food fresh and protecting it from unwanted visitors. The device can be purchased for $110. This universal 5-block kit lets you create different shapes every time, so your furry friend will never get bored of climbing them. You don't have to worry about your pet's health. This product is completely recyclable and non-toxic. Unlike most cat furniture, the design of this toy will look perfect in any room. You can also use it as a shelf for books or for shoes. Its price is $250.